Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Uvingelela ndoda vele sezikhala vele khona. Bryce, how are you?
Mina right mina kanti wayohlubuze mina.
Hayi ngiyakubuza ndoda.
Mina right.
How are you, Brian?
How fast Vovo?
Sure. What's the call?
What's the kwa?
Uqala ngokubuza mina ukuthi hayi mina ngisalungisa lapha isound la yenzanele ikwenza.
Valo right.
Hayi mina ngiright guys but ke
Kuyazwakala Bryce.
umphimbo ngani wezimphimba. Mana ngisona.
wena unjani Don Milo?
Mina
Tamera.
Che manje
No,
ngiyakuthenga
relax
le picture
abantu.
kaStamere one.
Relax.
Che.
You right. Okay. Umayilo yazabe mfaka ipressure ne?
Nangu la.
Awuyachazeka sicela ukuhleka lawe.
Akayilahla che. God is good, huh?
All the time.
All the time.
God is good. Ngobona manje.
Ungaqali che. Ungaqali.
Hayi lapha awusathwali.
Igejaz.
Akazi leza emergency. Hayi kuhle nqala iphilile shem.
Abantu khangani bebe lo mbono lokuzini.
As I've got a question for you guys lapha vele.
From the last episode.
Very fast.
Ubufuna ukubuzana?
Ngifuna ukubuza che. What's your idea of betrayal?
Che yazi chekile yathi yasibamba jokes name che.
Singathi la 2 minutes.
Asikabile lokuzini.
Ngiyazibuzela bangani bami pendulani.
Man umbuzo wakho lo ufakisa ubuza bye.
So lapha siqase ngokuphendula abantu. Kodwa usufuna ukubuza.
Hayi,
Zwana,
nabafuna
listen.
lama comments jeka lokuzini. From the last
Hayi.
episode because abantu they always say we don't read comments. Abafuna ukuthi isizwe. Yabo like
we were actually going to talk about that. We are going to have a section, the last 15 minutes of every episode. It's called Friends of the Show. So we're going to be doing that. And
Ukuthi jeka. Uthi sidlisa tshwala ndoda uthi ngiqhubela ithambo uthi asiqale ukudla amathambo.
Kale sikhukhuze.
awuzwanga lokuthi ngiyangaphi mntana. Awuzwanga lokuthi ngiyangaphi.
Hayi, ukuthi
I'm
uyangapha.
leaning into something.
Okay, it could be a
I'm
good
a grown
idea.
man checking the body count, bruh. I wouldn't have sex without foreplay.
Yes.
Bra, lapho manje manje ngitshela.
Mnike something there. Give him something.
Jeka lapho uhlaqala round 3.
Alright, umbuzo wakho utheni nje?
Abe ngizibuzela guys ukuthi
Oh, this week bakubona uyi-fake friend uhamba njani?
yeah, I'm just asking you guys what is it what would you consider as betrayal, and at what point in time do you say all right sharp lapha sengibetray or what kind of person do you expect it from, like ukuthi all right who like ukuthi esingambala as a traitor in your life. And
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Welcome
I
to
will come.
another episode of Ingxoxo 99. Because somebody wants to introduce the show now.
Yeah, introduce us even. Andy, walini into something. Introduce us then uzomphendula.
friend.
Lapha ngafana lokuthi ukhechile wahlwacha ngela khonto.
Ay. Uyakwazi ukuthi uBryce we need to have like a clips called Bryce moments.
Yeah.
Because the reactions are always the same. It's always
Simthwebule
So nzaqala ngayo balo. Welcome to the show again.
Thank
Nice
you.
to see you looking the usual.
La umuhle gana muhle yazi. Awuyachaza umula yazi.
Nomuntu wami guy team vele these days ohluphayo vele nje manje ngabukela episode lale yakubona ukhuluma
But
khona.
umuntu wakho these days uyabonakala umsebenzi. Sipano. Sibona ngokubobotheka ukuthi hayi.
Thank you.
So for me and I think mina umuntu engafila like maybe engangibetray ngizobuhlungu I think is my best friend.
It's your best friend?
Yeah.
Oh.
And awufili betrayal nxa maybe engakhombi boyfriend yami.
You'd feel betrayal manje ngakhomba boyfriend yakho.
I think it's the only betrayal.
Right, bamba njalo. Bryce, on to you. What's betrayal for you?
Uthi umuntu abuye ku podcast afika abize.
Abizo munye
Umuntu wami baby.
Ay.
Abukela i-episode lapha kabalo lapha first time lapha abiza umuntu athi baby.
Ku-internet lapha.
Nzima yazi abantu bathi balo wena uthe baby kumondi.
La khathesa ayikapheli indaba le.
Lakathi sekaphela.
Ayikapheli bro.
Yo sana yo.
Baba.
Sengikhuleke ethi umuntu wami njengayibo.
But yazi when it comes to your question nje give me is very broad nje. Yabona
Yeah. No, we have time instead.
Izinto ezinjani ezinje ukuthi like I'm just going to do an umbrella explanation. Ukuthi like there's something that as a friend I will trust you with. And ngikwazi ukuthi hayi
Ungamelanga uyenze.
loba sokuthena empilweni yami something that I tell you I trust you with my life. And ngifaka ngithi vele umngane wami lo vele ngiyakwazi ukuthi into le ngithembe yena. Then they do the complete opposite. Ngikwazi mina ngise inhliziyo yami yonke lo ngijidwa vele kangeka
ngeka yenza into le.
Yeah, something unexpected from a friend.
Right.
Yabo la ngcono very high no very something unexpected from a friend is betrayal.
All right, sweet. So maybe ungangokuthi if a person does something to you auntie okade umbone ngani njengomngane.
Ngeke yenze.
Chukuthi maybe let's say yena maybe kakho lapho ubengakuboni like that. Would you call it betrayal?
Uyabe ibone njani?
No, I'm saying auntie.
Kuya ngokuthi uyenzeni I think.
Betrayal is intentional.
Yes. I'm saying when you feel betrayed and because you trusted someone with something and then but I'm saying what if that person in akakho lapho they don't see you in that manner. You are the only one that thinks this is my friend and you trust them with that. Then yena akakho lapho is that person wrong?
Hayi akwazi okunye kunjani nje mina ukuthi most of my friends nje i relationship yet is 20 years plus. People that I call my friends.
You always emphasize on that, yeah.
So like nxa umuntu singabonani like that and is people that I know engiwazane labo recently. So I wouldn't say they betrayed me. So it's more like they pissed me off or they.
So it's like an moment.
No, it's like a.
Peace, bruh.
It's like unqalile.
Yeah.
Yeah, not betrayal.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
Ukujwayelakala.
Yeah, I
betrayal
think
is something yokuthi check after 20 years singabangani bra and you
did
pull
this,
such a
bruh.
thing.
Stand esinye.
Right. Babo?
Njengani ungiqophile yokwazi.
Yeah.
Jay.
Alright.
Masithi ngiqophile ngikubuze yazi uba ngiqophile kwakuyini. Isinkwa lesiyana esingasikwanga lesiyana uba ngiqophile.
Alright. Betrayal. I think a betrayal is when that one person you view as close to you does something that would hurt you, whether intentionally or engananzelelanga.
But how can it be betrayal if it's engakhangelelanga?
Engakunanzelanga.
Khona khana Milo okade ukukhuluma actually wena ukuthi actually Milo is the one who said it. Ukuthi I might view you as a close friend to me but wena ngingaso close friend yakho.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
wena ungekho
Ngaba
lapho.
umngani wami ingasi
Exactly.
umngani wakho.
So whatever I tell you when uyabonga kuboni ku that important.
Yeah.
You understand?
But now
Yikho
with-
bengisithi it's not ukuthi always nxa umuntu ekubetray it's ulama intentions of doing it.
Okay,
I can betray you ngilama
Ngiyakuthi,
intentions angikhona.
I think we just have a different meaning towards betrayal. Because the way it described Bayan, I think Gimi it's not betrayal, but it's I'm trying to look for a word, but it's a situation that ukuthi asazani kanjalo, but usungiqalile. I think you is pissing me off, like stepping on my toes.
Ubuya kahle.
It's stepping on my toes.
Exactly what you said, huh? Ukuthi if our relationship is not mutual, then whatever you do to me, I might take it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yabo. For example, khona koqeda ukukhuluma, mina ngiyabe ngibona ingane awuprice ichomo yami ngeke ayithune njalo.
Yena ngakubona
And then
njalo.
when I just saying, whatever baba nguye nje, and then you just say something.
Kumbe ukuthi kathi sihlanya le.
Kanti
Anyways, angazi ukuthi lina lihlala ngapi. Guys, this past week besisiwa mdala kobulayo la.
Kodwa isipatika.
So, bese likela ezwa indaba eQL imhlophe.
Idume njengepizza.
Bese likeza eQL imhlophe alikezwa ngalo.
Kid mhlophe.
Hayi.
We
I
might
think
just
we got different social media streams.
Ndabona
So,
baba
no.
usuphikile kancane.
It's not even about having different. The reason why I was putting a background to all of this, asking you guys what betrayal is.
Oh.
So what's happening? There's this other shorty. Tamba ni bizo lakhe.
Ngitasha
Tangu Tasha.
Tasha and Shanti.
Tari, Tasha.
Shanti.
Tamas.
What? It's Tasha and the other
Tasha.
one is Shanti. Is Shanti.
The other one
Shante or something like that,
Shante.
right?
Like that.
So now these two shorties and Shante uyenza ngezokwe beauty, cosmetics whatsoever. So now all of like there's a lot of stories that are going on right now. What I'm going to give you guys is just what I know from what I've picked up from looking at their lives. So there's this TikTok boy or Asewange, I don't know what's his name.
Tongue tricks.
He's a little bit to the feminine side.
Ujayenza ama live lo. I know his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's the one that put those three together. So Tasha ubele kiwa lakhe. And etele kiwa lakhe ohamba le kiwa lakhe lisiyambhadela ukuthi kuthuna ama lashes and lenwele it was inwele and
Yeah.
to the friend
Yeah.
lenzipho. So ikiwa idaka so esiyachuna inzipho lapha uma chuna inzipho ngumngane kaTasha. Ikiwa labe libona umngane kaTasha lathi my goodness. Right and so exchange of numbers whatsoever uthi ukhame njani angikwazi. Fast forward esingushanté this or kuthiwa nguboss C. Siyamuntu nguboss C. Uboss C wabe Kira wabe exchange ama number lomlungu kaTasha. Kungekudala uTasha basamzwakalele. Kungekudala uboss C gone kanje lomlungu wabana.
Lomntwana. Eish.
Gone kanje esekerry lumlungu. uTasha yena I don't know what the gwan was or why imali yangikhona engakhanyi kahle kuTasha.
Tasha sikhanya kuhle ngako
Sikhanya kuhle ngaba kuboss C. Uboss C sebemthengele imota, sebemthengele indlu and 2 houses, one in Burnside and one in Cape Town with the beach view.
Ayakwazi ukuphakulula nje.
Indaba ukuphakulula nje. Colonizer vele lihle lagenguka vele nje. So now those three are put ku live and uzibani the white girl fit is called Mark. So Mark may have done to Tasha for whatever reason it may be, but my chat is between these two. It goes back to what we were talking about lapana.
Yeah,
Sikhuluma ngo Jonas.
Oh yeah.
Do you remember what we were talking about when we were talking about Jonas? What right? Lapha problem kahle who is the problem? Is it the man? Because rich man will always have options. And all the problem ngubani? Is it the friend othathe umngane wakhe indota Or can you blame her? Maybe yena vele kakho lapho ebunganini
Can I say
bangikhona.
something?
Ah.
For me, and I think konka dukucho baba ukuthi nxa ungumngani domuntu and obviously I know I'm your friend. There are certain things that I wouldn't do to you. You understand? And for the whole world to see ukuthi maye senguthathele indoda. Mina I wouldn't do that to my best friend. Yabo? But umuntu like etown anti mana ngithi ngathi kuma streets abantu balama reasons abaningi ukuthi umuntu eshoot. You understand? Omnye umuntu akwanisa ukuthi engathandi the idea ukuthi mina ngithola umlungu wami ondithandayo. Kube jealous. You understand? Amankazana like sometimes la konke ukuthi omnye umuntu abeswela ingcenye ngibuthi
Ngicela ukubamba khona apha nje. Ungalahli point yakho. Right, umlungu okuthandayo. Can we guys, I'm always stressing on this. Can we please call it what it is? And asisoli umuntu kasijudge umuntu. But labana kusesihuleni vele.
Isihule vele.
Labana kusesihuleni. Can we just call things as they are? Ayikabi akuliwa but kusesihuleni.
But ushoga mama kachoma kungamthatha yini enguchoma wakho kwazi ukuthi unguchoma wami sidla sonke lapha na kushuga mama ungamthatha.
Mina lo choma probably sesingashare.
Lebe livumelene phela guys.
Sesingashare.
But angiyakukhulumisana ukuthi chomi lapha na sichaye sonke yabona kule but laba bakhulumisana la. Yabo. Omunye sefila bhe ngokuthi omunye anti yabona ukuthi uyabuthathelwe indoda umuntu ongcono kulawo.
Ukuthi yabona abantu laba bayi2 what I'm picking up is abantu laba bayi2.
Kulawo and then suzama ukuphika izinto ezingekho
What I'm picking up is abantu laba bayi2 one bebechiyena. The other girl yena ubeyisithi girl ubesidla imali into ezilengqondo. Then the second girl is here for survival. And to second girl is here for survival, to accumulate wealth, to accumulate businesses.
Yeah.
So anya wanti kuyabe kulo balo wena uzahambe ubusidla imali labo price ngaphi vele kufiwa.
Kanti wayingisibonela.
Price nakudla uzangela ngeni.
Uyidla obviously imali idliwa lawe.
Labese singkenceza bhuta.
Yabo? Then bese kuzaba lo umongi on the other hand yena mayethola imali yena leyi userentile ishop ngaphi userentile ishop ngaphi. I guess maybe
izinto ezilomsoco.
Exactly. So maybe umlungu yena njani ubone the difference in ingqondo.
Mina into engiyenze from this situation and I think I will not train for wrong reasons. Ngasitshela njalo vele ukuthi la nxa kuthiwa kuhamba njani ingcono sikhulume off camera indaba yangikhona because khathesi imagine omunye ade khulume sithi ubaba wavulela ibusiness iblessa lona le like guys alright imagine umntana kusesitsho njani like ukhulume ku live ukuthi iblessa lelo lavulela ubaba ibusiness. So ungubaba like lapha sikhuluma ngama surviving skills la guys.
Because there's a lot to take out of this. There's a lot. Okay. Okokuqala
yaphelelwa.
Kulento engangayikhuluma kudala ku podcast ukuthi like sometimes the problem with girls abangayinanzeleliyo ukuthi when it comes to their friends they overshare.
Yeah.
So in the process of oversharing khona phana you indirectly khombisela umjida wakho umngani wakho.
I mean I think
so like nxa esefika lapha sembona the first time umjida yena is being himself. Your friend is seeing signals. Okay, kanje umngani wami wathi engathi vele yabe sefuna ukuthi engathi yabe sechazwa yilokhu line and umjida yena sophoma ukuthi phela lesi si easy lesikhathi vele wakhonjiselwa kudala because we overshare. Yabona? Like okay, like kwakule difference like is guys thina nxa sitshelana like if like there was a girl and I was involved with isinga datanga ngoba Milo lapha ngifika ngashaya phela ngizwa so it means I didn't even care into eyenzakile lapha but ngitshela I know I spent the weekend with my girlfriend.
That's it.
Like there's that respect that we put as guys. So I know I spent the weekend with Jerome. Yabo sengiqedile khona pha.
I think ithina abafazi sidalwa vele sathi umuntu uyavuleka.
Boyfriend yakhe imeni yini side nika they have to tell their girls everything.
Mina I think ngile advice for abantu like abala best friends. Guys, if you have a friend and lo mngani wakho alila 5 years lingabangani kayaziwa ngini. Yekelani ukuvuleka madodana. Andakhala somi ubamba inhliziyo ngezandla. Bayigreat umlungu.
Phela laphana le belokele sithi umuntu uthathelwe indoda ngumngane kanti uyithathelwe ngumakanika yabo. Hey, because nebe siyalungisa inzipho ngayo.
Thathelwe indoda.
Sithi friendship.
Indoda yangikhona so ndoda yomuntu vele.
Utsho mntwana Jake wakwazi ukuthini. The only thing that I heard him saying from that live. So I met Tasha when I had some business interests in Bulawayo. That's the only shit that I heard him say. And I don't think he's anyone's husband. Because that girl was saying she's engaged to the guy, Bahachata in August. And Guma Pictures is not afraid to kupuma.
Hey, uyampost uguy wakhe la. Kanti abantu abaqahlene nguJola guys.
I'm not sure, but
UJola lo hayi uyavutha lo.
Uyabo?
Ubosi ungakhala TikTok yakhe sibi yabona ukuthi
The guy is
baJola
everywhere,
sibi.
Sibi.
Uyamposta ngumuntu
Milo.
wakhe so.
Angithi uthi he had some business interest.
Yes, Timo.
Man, let me lay.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi yaka.
Let me lay.
Khuluma mntana.
Girl 1 yena ufuna ama vibes.
Yeah,
Girl 2 she's already business oriented.
exactly.
Does
She
that
already
not
has a
also
business.
count ukuthi la umuntu ayebona ukuthi no imali yamangisa lapha ayilahleki. Ayiyekho Jona then because if she's already running a business then obviously ingqondo yakho ikhona.
Yeah, and the other one is
Yakwazi okunye.
Kunini ngithi
into
yo.
ekhunywa nguSteve Nyayizwa. As much as it is wrong, I think umjida okunye the if I can get money from my vibes, why not invest more in my vibes? Because kwamanye ama vibes he was spending
Akuvibe.
akuthuchi lutho like financially back to him, but lapana kuthuche e-business. Maybe that's when he decided, okay, I can invest on ama vibes now. Later on, iko engxenye kuze kwaba East awona engage we. Kangani ule nhlanhla yemali.
Yeah, but it's a lesson to the honeys out there. Eh.
Akunye ingcene imimoya anti.
Awula
Side
mimoya
there is
ekhona la.
spiritual.
This is
all
common
I
sense.
can say is I know the reason why I corrected to Baro Labana ngathi can we just call it what it is? And kusesuleni.
Yeah.
I-client liza suka for better business interests. It's as simple as that. But there is what's making me sad is abantu laba they went onto a live on TikTok. They discussed that entire situation. So kuphuma izinto ezinje ukuthi wena wahamba wadinga umuthi
Umuthi
ngaphi ngaphi.
eZambia.
Wahamba wayenza. That's someone that's going to be a mother
Like-
one day. Do you understand?
All right, so
And
bese khuluma ngendaba yomuthi is the girl that lost the cousin.
Tasha.
They lost the guy.
Yes.
Yeah, uTasha-
Right, now that brings me back to my point engayikhuluma last week. Eyokuthi
uTasha uthe
women
hayi
like
wena-
to attack men where it has the most and when it's irrelevant. Uluze the guy, okay wena unthathela uguy
Kavuma
wami.
i-defeat,
Stick to
yeah?
that in. Uthi okay unthathela uguy wami futhi wahamba wadinga umuthi eZambia. Ungena nga.
Yeah, I know. But mina, what I'm trying to push towards is these are people that are going to be mothers one day, and
Yeah.
if not mothers, then aunts to certain people. So
People
digital
see
footprint, it's for life. Do you get it? Kulama videos
Ayikho
asekireta on
hle
TikTok lately
internet.
ukuthi baba andawona karese ngutshengisa picture kaStamera. That's a digital footprint. You understand? It's a print for
Yabigciniwe
life.
somewhere.
And there's a child somewhere that's going to watch his mother talking about ukuthi hey wena wanzeka, hey mina nya bleacher,
Like-
what things like that explicitly. So I don't know, man. People can do whatever they do to hustle. No one likes to do. Even amadoda act fun around men with money. Lathi sinje so ndoda kungaba nemembe lemali lapha. Sabe sinjani njani. Do you get it? But
Mfana mina
Phela la madoda asethengisa kobulawayo. La madoda asethengisa. La madoda asethengisa lingazenzile nelingakwazi.
ngangayizwa le
Ha-
kwenye indawo lapha
awuyikhulume sizwe.
Alizange
ngayizwa and ngakakhuluma ngayo kwenye episode.
Guys.
mina nje
Mina ngezwe town. Yabona
Singakhuluma
ilokhu
ngoTasha lo boss but la madoda lawo asikadiscover.
mina ngangayizwa into ayikhulumayo. It's true. Yabona Rainbow Hotel. Diagonally opposite kulo kuyibhalo kya.
ivivo.
Diagonally.
Crystal.
Not direct.
Liana engale
across the road.
flatini ngale.
Kulo diki.
Ese-
Yabona
Flatting
idikiz
ngale.
line ine dikiz.
Cases.
Yeah, exactly. Ku center parking yona leya. Have you realized too there are always guys drinking there?
Yeah.
And kuhlala kulezi moto ezidlula khona pha. Babe scout ama chains abafasi.
Labana machita labana. Ay awenzi bro.
Ngafuna ubona
Awenzi lana machita lana ngezwa kuthiwa mina amasi number. That's where like a lot of cops hang out lapha. That's
lami ngezwa
Kulaphana.
there.
La George.
Sekuhlangene
Because
lina,
ma
hey.
ukhuluma njalo and then uthi kulama police akeshisa. So please be careful.
anzange ngitsho njalo.
Hayi manje umanje sefuna ukuthi twasathi.
Ngitsho njalo.
Allegedly.
No, what I know is it's a hangout spot for a lot of guys, especially like when maybe like the president is around and whatsoever. A lot of guys about president's guard. It's like they are chill spot.
But
It's same as Guti. Maybe Ospatele balapha abadlalela khona abathola bese trade gold like on a Friday land.
But I mean, I'm caught in between because even on a random day nje udlula kulabantu labana dog.
Ukuthi
Like,
every day ba
Not really every day, but most of the times.
I'm
like,
just telling you what I've seen.
all right.
Awukhumbuze inye la qhubeka.
I'm just telling you guys what I've seen, mina.
But lina lithini ngayo le ane hillside.
Hayi le guys sorry.
Umuntu wabanje sicela ndathi kuvula imlomo hayi.
So which is
Was noma voice note angene egroupini. Apost a forwarded. I think ulokhuzeni ngawazwa.
Angazwanga guys shame.
It's a person okade khuluma about the guys abe Highlanders abafileyo. Bekhuluma inyongo nje.
the guy was going crazy. The guy was going crazy.
Into ayifunayo.
Remember lana uthe asithi umdala ngendlela athi simhlonipha ngayo nje umdala size sadiliza umbundu wembambayili ukuze sihlale ngoba besingagwani endlini.
Ngazange ethi umbundu khuluma ukuthi
Khuluma ibaleli trick.
So, all right. Before we go any further, I want to give you guys a background. I want to give you and the guys that are watching the background story of this. So, time and again, we've had situations of Uguti. There's people that are important figures. Stanley. So, with someone being as important as that, and you'd expect them to be living a certain type of life.
Yeah.
But when you die, sihamba ngini. Gini, lapho hlala khona to your real life. So a lot of people tend to get disappointed. Ma umuntu se figure out how. Lo umuntu was a person of status and value.
But why ngibo kunje?
But laba hlala khona why kunje.
Akuhambelani.
So this guy was now complaining about uThambando. He was talking about Fiso. And
yes, one of the guys who died from accident.
The recent accident. Futhi kule nkazana khona bana kwe executive team le
Yeah,
abantu.
uSisilwana.
Yeah. So now it's like this. People have questions of Uguti. That guy, Uguti, he was saying it in a very, very funny manner. He said a lot of stuff.
As khulume.
But the highlight of what he was talking about was Uguti. Why is it that someone that was so important, to be hambang your fort, raptor, time behamba the police escort mayisiya lapha ekhona, someone that they looked up to so much, but belokhe sahlale barracks.
Kuthiwa laphana abahlala khona laphana abantu babe sithi nxa bedlula babe ngabonti semfeni bayebona ngani izibotshwa lapha ezulu
community service.
What?
Yadi lapha kabe ngani ngabantu abenza community service nxa bedlula.
Wabe sithi lapana phela izinto phela ezihlala lapana phela ngo button stick. Lama hand over. So ma uphuma lapana mele ucheck ngathi kumbuya button stick labo over labano over.
A lot of people caught strays in that voice note. Even he mentioned Lokhuzeni, Willard Khumalo, like former Highlanders support. Like most people abafaya ukudala be Highlanders, including Obabongile Skonjo.
Right. Mina, what I can say, I sent you a picture of those blazers. A Krupinapa. So now, Mina, I've got, all right, you know, Mnaga Masadam. She was married to a former esteemed Highlanders player. Umamncane, yes. She was married to Richard Chorum. I think maybe you know him because we hlala eMzilikazi duzane nasePapa Fields apha. Emaline nawe eSobukazi. He was now actively involved in the Highlanders and whatnot. So now when he passed away, now people go to his house where he stays.
Yeah.
They went to his mother's house because he didn't have a house here in Zimbabwe. Oh. What I think is it's what people see at surface level and it's not always gonna be a reflection of what's really going on inside. Because
Yeah.
the bro really had some stuff going on. Some I'm not even going to mention, but I know what he left his into like his for his kids. Labo, if they've got the right mind, they're gonna make something tangible out of that. For all we know, so maybe that's not the only thing that he owned from that. But they are not into flashy things.
Yeah.
Me kuma background yathola ukuthi umuntu mephula ama plot maybe 2 ule khaya ngapi ngapi. We all have grandpas like that. Uthi abehlala enkulumani ku 3 room. But they abehleze lamatamati suze kuthiwa alawa ngathethe plot in whatsoever. Number 1. And then number 2, in Bulawa, I think we need to learn to detach status and monetary value. Because I know when skala kade sithi babe sibona sinje so silama clean cut isichenile ku podcast looking very handsome, extremely handsome.
But asidrayive phela amabhenzi thina siwathengele ngamakhiwa. Umuntu abebona nula ikhiwa likuthengele
Umuntu
ibhenzi.
emayisikangele kona abantu but ma ngiphuma lapha mina ngikela ngizwa ngicela ubabi ilokho zeni $2 yokugada mase sisuka lapha. That issue hasn't been resolved, by the way. You understand? But ngisuka lapho umuntu sesiyagada ku 67.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
But omunye umuntu nxa sekubona ku TV uzabona ngani
leyi
leyenza imali phela ezegazi yakuzizwe ezegazi ukuthi asekubonile indoda asela imali.
You remind me of a post lapana yafa omunye ku Facebook mina ngithandela village guys. What is it that people think you have that you don't have? Ngathi ngena mana ngetype ukuthi money akusibo money ngahlangana nabo lapha labahle kahle asebekhulumile
enough.
Like I think ama spaces esingena kiyo sometimes make people think ukuthi we have it all figured out.
Yeah.
But siyazama guys.
La uyabusazama ukuthi u1 lo 2 ukuthi ubonke ukuphumana.
Guys, Ibulawa arts industry is still growing, guys. We barely have sponsors, we barely have investments whatsoever. Not that ngiyacela ama-sponsor lama-investors for the show, right?
But you wouldn't mind.
Right? But all I'm saying is people, for now, people should really learn to detach that from success.
Yeah.
We might have a successful show, we might have a successful DJ career, DJ prize. Sihlangana sibanenge ekuseni sesidinga ama-in-drive wabanye sebesiyagada after a show. Sicatshela abantu ukuthi bengasiboni ukuthi siyagada because you just rocked the fire set, bro.
Sesilumbanisi in drive.
Oh wena alright when you BF and when you empopom. Alright, so sesifika out the route with in drive it so chama $. Our industry is not as lucrative. So don't take the success of whatever it is the career yomuntu and pin it onto monetary value because you will be extremely disappointed.
Because like most of us guys and ama 2K or maybe ngithi i-generation yethu uyakwanisa ukuthi nginilinote but wena inote ngasiyakho.
Ndoda or even
lelo lutho but akusiyakho inoto ayilani lawo just because bakuprovide ukuthi la ulala ube lo mbhedi yabona umuntu ezecanga ukuthi vele uhlala ku mention because wena uku podcast wena uhlala ku drive ibhenzi.
Sithule siyacabanga
hayi sengicabanga phela ngempilo zeno ezingo brand new advertising ngolapho sidumile phela but hey le mali yokusheva yiko ke indebule ezinganani.
But for real, like I think the entertainment industry like needs to do better la especially for our artists.
We're getting there.
Lama content creators.
As soon as we stop or Ralph, labo Bryce, labo Twamba, labo Mgcino hating about Big Brother and let our entertainment build.
Big Brother,
brother in house. These guys are not supportive. Very. You start somewhere. Curtain of house, Carissa Sasi 4, but people let it grow.
Yes, you start somewhere, but how you start, Jake?
No. Can you not go back there? So when you mix the menu,
Jake.
No. We started somewhere.
All right.
We started somewhere.
I started somewhere. But, all right. Imagine
let me remind you of the players that you are using. Ama players la wana Cox the mixer lana very it's out of commission right now. You crossfade ngkhona pushe ngathi uncenga ibhinzi esalukazi bra. Do you get it? It was a starting point and you weren't judged for that.
Moving forward.
What the fuck, man?
Siqhubekele phambili.
You weren't charged for that. Am I lying though? We all start somewhere, guys. We need to have that type of patriotism with our industry.
But enye Samuel lawo yabona nje. Okunyazi. All right, hear me out. Please.
Yabona point yona le yenza omnye wagcina sesithi baby komunye.
Baby.
Yona sizama uku-explain i-point. Ama explanation ona lawa hacha.
All right, hear me out.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is
Yeah.
kulo omunye umuntu who's been somewhere further in life and sikhula simkhangele. Okay, when you're starting somewhere nje kan akwenza ukuthi ngiqala ku restaurant lana engemuva emarket.
Yeah.
Mina sengake ngachaya kwezinye indawo ezilokhuzeni. And kule inye certain level yokuthi okay, this is the lowest you can go. When you go below that,
yeah.
kunjani?
So
abanye kuyasikipha and akusoze kukhanya ukuthi studying somewhere kuyathiwa usuzehlisile. Yabo, because that person esikhuluma ngayo utsho mlana uvela from other shows that are way big. Ukuthi like he has learned ukuthi okay, even ngingela mali phela mine okathi thina singela mali, we can do a show encane but enhle blind.
Kakhulu, yeah.
But abantu bengaboni ukuthi okay into lesiyenze from zero budget. Yabo. But ungabona umuntu lana okhanya ukuthi okay ubuye from into ebiyenzwa at 100% budget. You've got connections and you've got people that know people, like people that can help you, people that owe you favors. And isamo yakho needs to be different from eyami engingela ma connections. That's what I'm trying to say.
Ngiyakuzwa Putas.
No, we're gonna support, guys. Season 2, we definitely gonna support.
What I know is I'm full right now. Futhi Jegant, the head of house in that entire thing is from Bulawayo. Shout out the Malest MC. Umai, if you guys, Yamaz Umai, Yama vibes so very Yama power. Nguyu head of house. I send this from here, Bulawayo. We should be rallying behind that kid right now.
Shout
with all that we have.
Hey,
I hear you.
But did you hear?
Did you get my point?
I got your point. Got your point.
So mina angisoli yena. Ngisola uma kuqalisa. Because the way esimazi ngayo. Okay, the way yaqalisa ngakho, if ube kunguwe or kuyimi or Steven, that is a big starting point for me. But for that person, it's not.
All right.
It's
now
below
you get
the
what I'm trying to say.
What you're saying.
For that person, it's not a good starting point. For me, it's a good starting point. Prices
Yeah.
But then for that person, I know, man.
You should do better, bro. Like,
because we're expecting what?
Something better.
Something better.
Nyabo.
See. All I'm gonna say is, just because they see us on great shows, then mase singasazwakali le mali
kusasexeni songani linali listinji
sokuthiwa sirepile yahle kuhambela amapholisa neke ukuthi urepile awuyahleka nje.
On that note,
yeah.
Atulindile Putas black.
It's crazy, bro.
All right, sicela usinike context.
Right. Khanya kuchiliwe lapha na ngo Holy 10 and crew ku BNP. No one has the full info of what happened. No one has, I don't think anyone has testified to say, all right, A, B, C, and D went down whatsoever. But there's a girl who woke up the following morning accusing Holy 10 of rape. So now, this is not about Holy 10, mind you, disclaimer, right? I'm going to ask one question, and that's a very important question. How does a 14-year-old have the ability to be in that space in the first place?
With those people.
I'm not a rape apologist. I'm just, don't attack me, please. Internet guys, I love you.
From a point of
I
view,
love women.
Point of view, yomzali.
Yeah.
Yomzali was supposed to do like guys. I think he's
like maybe it's because Eskhule Kakhulu has the scope of freedom for children dropped from what we normally used to know, because that's even below 16 ka.
14 years too much.
Very very minor, it's 18 years and below 18.
So umntwana
16 ngiyakudala.
Yeah, 16 ngiyakudala.
Ubesendaweni yona
16 wakwela from 16 because shit was actually going really crazy.
But
all right, ngokubuza ubalo from a point of view yenkazana. how believable is it to you ukuthi umntwana ole 14 years ungene ku space sonesiyana wafika waba involved lo muntu ekseni wavuka wathi urechiwe? Like what does it communicate to you first hand? Like Suzy the storyless kuthini kuwe? What's the first thing that you think of?
Mina ngisizwa I was like, you know what, 14, like I didn't know the senior ye BNB, honestly.
Oh.
I thought maybe it happened somewhere, yabo. But now because ukufakela ukuthi kwakuse BNB, abantu abakhathesi guys, we can all agree ukuthi omnye umntwana abanye abakhuzeki. Yesterday nje bengikhuluma lo hairdresser wami ngomnye umuntu ukuthi umntwana lo into azenzayo, like how old is this person? You understand? Because khathesi 2010 yakonza ukutshela lona selenza sexual intercourse. Abantu abe-World Cup madoda umuntu uyambona ukuthi udiniwe lo for no guys
Umntwana baphuma lo waka ba
like khathesi uyasithathela uyandithathela mina 2010 indoda eyigcinena mina nginyama senyahluleki eveti mayelo yaze lithathe because bagijima and ungakunanze atango abagugile futhi angeke ukuthi ule ngibelule 16 17
mina
because udiniwe lapha
Hey.
wangena ku industry ubone ngani uzathola okuhle wakuswela kusasa imali ayisaphuma lapha phela istory lezi singazikhangela.
Okay, which version of a story would have been believable to you?
Mina for ukuthi urechiwe I think lapha kwaba give me money gone wrong because for you to be in that space in the first place udingani ule 14
So
years.
a version believable is when first of all they were not in that space.
In that space it was gonna be believable because lapha kunje khathesi ngilapha lani majid kusasa sichone lapha andini lani ngicomfortable muzi ngize ngilale ukuze ulale endlini yabantu which means uyabathemba ngilale kusasa ngithi umayelo lapho hayi njani.
right, the problem with
So who made the report? Is it the girl or the parent?
there I'm not sure, and what I was about to say is umthetho, and it's not even a problem, but umthetho puts the rights of a child first.
Yeah, first.
Regardless of our
But why
circumstances.
child
of ukuthi
yini
umntwana
ukwazi
unjani.
sexual intercourse guys? Yakhumbula last week isikhuluma i21 that week sikhuluma ukuthi umntwana ngumuntu ongakanani. Khathesi 2010 kasekho ngumntwana. Ngumntwana endlini yakho uthi ngumntwana wakho but wena nxa ngumzali uzalala umntwana ole 14 years engekho endlini. Laphana whose responsibility is it?
I was about to say ukuthi maybe we need to have conversations. Yabona kwezinye indawo they take child negligence very seriously.
Yeah.
I think lapha maybe it's because it's an African setup. It's been instilled in us ukuthi umzali akabi wrong, especially
wrong.
umzali mayesehlaba umkhosi. But you need to have a voice that
Exactly.
speaks to the parent and says, "Kathi wena kusenzakala lokhu ubunga."
Umntwana umbona ukuthi
So I'm
zakho
saying ukuthi, like if a child is raped in that kind of space, you would like nxa sesicabanga i-rape
Thina
most of
sicabanga
them.
i-rape ukuthi
Lalo
nangu.
dlamu ufosiwe lani lana.
No, that's statutory rape. Leyana
angiyali,
i-rape
angiyali.
uchaya uchaya umuntu under
Angiyali.
age.
My question is ukuthi, are you saying ukuthi as much as the person who is who allegedly did that is on the wrong, right? We should also reprimand the parents for
Yes.
not raising their child right.
ngendlela
and
right ukufaka
letting them
umthetho.
go to that space.
Exactly.
Yes.
Because khathesi wena imagine you as a parent ne ulo mntwana ole 14 years oyinkazana. Guys asikhuluma ngomfana la inkazana le. Uchaw 7 ngakhe endlini. U14 I think ngo form 1, grade 7 form 1 14 years. So uchaw 7 ngakhe endlini. Uzuyalala uyahoqa ngakhe endlini. Kusasa umntwana evuka ekseni uthi unga. Yi umbuzo wami ukuthi fine lo siyambona uburongo bakhe. But what if umntwana wakho umntwana lo nxa kuyikuthi umzali waba comfortable ukuthi elale kwazi ukuthi umntwana wakhe kakhe endlini, which means yakwazi ukuthi umntwana wakhe uya indulge in sexual activities.
Yazi ukhuluma so bemfisa ukuthi ngawu Tasha ukhona because from the last episode yinto akade khuluma ngayo sithi you need to be friends with your child mina ngisala. Yabona into le khuluma ngayo yiqinisa ipoint yami ukuthi you should never be friends with your child because meaning ukuba ngumngane lo mntana wakhe
Yikho qala khona la khona. Angiyabona khathesi nango omunye umlungu khathesi wavulela ubaba ibusiness. Ungubaba okwanileyo uwenza njani into enjalo? No, lapha sesikhuluma guys mina maybe ukuthi ngikhuliswe kahle. But ezinye izinto abazali bami ngeke vele ngibafake kuzo.
All right, mina all I'm saying is and there's a lot of ukuthi people don't pay attention when it comes to into ze parliament, but lathi we can sign petitions as abantu and have people starting those conversations in parliament, I believe ukuthi a parent needs to be held negligent.
Exactly.
Held accountable for negligence.
Exactly.
Ask me why. This will then lead
Mana
to...
phela sikakubuza.
Why?
Why?
On a serious note, and this will then lead to abazali thinking very clearly before they take umntana wabo and go and scream rape.
Because now usemaphoseni.
Right. And so ngiqambe ukuthi kwayenzakala njani, but I found
Fast
myself
forward.
with friends and because of izinto zona days of hanging out with girls kuma BNP where people scream rape. And those people, there's mind you kulabo mama bawula labantwana babo. Kulabo mama abayenza certain, they will be in
Abathengisa
cahoots.
abantwana babo, yeah.
They will be in cahoots with each other. Ukuthi right masala mina nzalala endaweni enje kusasa ngizabuya ngisithomle in repeat. Mele siyikhiphe ama funds. I've been around people bekeep imali just to shush the parents.
And most of
Yeah,
can I tell you guys something? Go ubamba umlomo. Abantu rape abayazi guys. Ukuthi rape what comes with saying umuntu ukudlwengulile like isithunzi sakho somuntu lwani siyahamba and ukuthi sorry akusariveseki. You understand?
Same
And most
thing
of
happened
girls
with that
they
guy.
don't know ukuthi xa ungathi umuntu unirapile lapha there is a lot that comes with that. Wese ngawuqamba amanga.
The same thing happened to that guy. I don't know what his name is. He's an athlete or an actor from SA. The case has been dragging on since 20.
Yeah.
The case is-
What's picky story sakhe?
Oh, ubonko lo wazi
Okay.
wife lo
Eh.
that guy that one.
Ut-
Auntie that girl said wamharasa bekusethi.
on set and it was sexual harassment whatsoever.
Hey.
That case has been going on since 2024. That girl only apologized this week. Yeah. She only got onto camera and said, hey guys, so and so. I'm really sorry if I misled some people whatsoever. That did not transpire whatsoever. So now, what mechanisms do we have culturally and legally to hold these people to account? Because I'm honestly tired of it being just sorry.
And men are always wrong.
No,
whenever
yabazo
kungathiwa
kunye
rape,
kunjani
men are
nje?
always
When a
wrong.
price will
I
be brand.
think ilokhuze
Uli
ikhona
brand.
ilo enjala yokuthi false accusation you can take. Now into yangikhona isibuya kulokhuzeni ku accused because isikhathi Milo it's been 4 years isihamba through a case le you are tired. You found that ukuthi you are innocent and you have grounds to report this person but you are just too tired man. And one kulento lana yokuthi uyindoda yabo uzicabange vele kuyakuthi thiye indoda ukuthi ngiyebophisa umuntu lo yabo yaphomuthi okay fine gahambe gachene la
I don't think you guys understand.
When
Do you
it
know-
comes to izinto sexually related, yabo, mana ngathi people, we always take side of abafazi, yabo, and into engizwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi kulabantu who are being raped okwamaqini
look at-
sibili, you
look-
understand? Ubona umuntu lo
we're now
kuye
putting them at
i-rape
risk because the
because
first
of
statement
izinto ezenzakalayo.
Exactly.
You understand? Next time omnye umuntu ngeke amthathe serious umuntu engabe esithi guys ngirechiwe so because especially kana fine nxa urechwa guys ezenza into people they put it ku internet. Ungangenza into embi kunje. Right, ngiyabuya ngikutshele chomi mina into yenze wesikhala sithina singabantu abadala engazi uyenza into engayifuni uyiyenza. I will tell you kahle. I won't have to tell Omilo and everyone ngitsho ukuthi next time ungayenzi njani. But
So
mina into
ngiyakudlwengula
Yabazi
kade
ngawukhuluma
next
so.
time ngingakwenzi njalo.
ngizakukhuza because trust me ngiyabe ngikukhuzile. You understand? But songidlwengulile sokudlulile now we have imagine manje
Sekudlwengulile, sekudlulile.
you are my friend. Now sengikuthatha ngifaka ku internet for what lapha? Lapha ku
So
internet
ngiyabona
Alright.
kade
ngiyifakelelana.
usiyangekela.
I think
Uzawutshaywa ngabanye abantu not
Hayi,
me like
Milo.
Milo.
Sefuna ukuthi twist indaba she.
right. I think a problem enkulu esilayo as society is that we have there's this one part of law SSE cremile and we have taught ourselves ukuthi all right law vele ihamba this extent iphelele. You know every single person as long as you belong to a certain country you have laws that protect you as well.
Yeah.
So, for example, that girl, if ever, essay, already that's defamation of character. That guy can sue that girl. And
Yeah. He has
that's
every
a
right
serious
to do
criminal
that.
offense.
Exactly.
So I think it's high time we also try and find out really what law is about and what laws protect us as people as well. Because we can't always be sitting down and saying, hey, Osbanu Rechio, Mangala, hey, Osbanu Rechio, Mangala.
So ngani rap into leyana encane ukuthi
Exactly.
nonjo nje lifone etown ngihamba ngamreport central. And le into guys le soul tie phakathi like
Guys, sorry to cut you off. Can I just say something? The only way this is the only way this is a recover ngayo. Abantu abadala bonke abachiswe. As long as ukwazi ukuthi wazala before 1990 awuchiswe.
esistuphepi yasala.
Bryce waba hurt. Bryce waba
Nakho
hurt.
bese ngiyazithola ngela so.
Look at Milo's
The
look.
reason why some of these things fly under the radar or they're handled the way they're handled is because there's a serious cultural tie to it. Yoguti, oh mama vele they are vulnerable. Oh mama vele they are always right. Indoda ngeke irechwe. Uyindoda urechwa njani ngumama. That's always the
Namadoda
issue.
arechwa,
And
Shem.
that is why
Amadoda
even
arechwa,
if we
Matthias.
try to bring about the
Oh lina
Now,
uthalo njenjalo benza kulizwela umayelo wathi cha
so
kuthiwa cha
Zwanini
Ma-
manje ngowumphendule lapha nje kanti. Imanjani?
Ijani?
Imanjani ungafuni?
so alirechwa full stop.
It's different from umfazi because umfazi isikhala. So it's penetration.
Yeah.
Auntie, when
But also as a guy, it's what you call this. It's a natural.
I Milo, I taking this too deep, bro.
It's a natural
It's also a
response.
natural response.
It's a
Sometimes you don't need to actively
Natural.
think about umuntu ukuthi ilokhuzi. Even
I mean, I think when it comes to the rape of men, and
when
I'm going to the scientist.
Umayelo kaswisisi.
Elikwaziyo. Unless if you're saying a man was raped by another man.
Mina ngwama number, but
Yikho
science
sisisa
ngayenza
khona.
mbijana. And what I truly understood from science is that is both a voluntary and an involuntary reaction. Sometimes ukubanjwa a certain way creates certain chemicals to rush to your brain, which causes that kind of a reaction.
So ingqondo yakho lezathi sokufiwa la.
Ingqondo is saying ndoda
Because kade guys ngicela ngibuza.
sezikhala.
So umntwana lo kungadiscover ukuthi maybe ade qamba manga. What's going to happen to the guy? Like because at
He's
some
got
point
the right to get her sued. He's got the right to get the parents sued
but
as well.
umntwana lo 14 maye kusuwa bani abazali.
Yes,
Lawyer
because
14, you can be
she's not yet of
I think
age.
for a child next
So umzali nguye osengene exactly. Vele by right even la you holiday bekumele bethi bemcharge lo mzali eceleni for negligence.
But personally, I don't think if he's
Tough.
found ukuthi innocent and everything, I don't think
Innocent until
Holiten should be
proven
charged for anything. And here's my reason. You are already in your spaces, like you guys were mentioning.
Yeah.
Say BNB, La Machita, it's after a show or whatnot. The people around you, you've already put out signage and everything. It's not under 21. So, Vele, your mind when you go into these things, you're not thinking about
Ukuthi
before I
kule
kiss someone or
minor.
touch someone. ID. You're not thinking about that.
Wasile
Number one,
body.
sunata
Mina
amadolo
ngifuna
huliwa
ukubona ipicture
amangaka.
yomntwana lo ama.
By
Ama
that time.
2010 ndiyabona kangakanani yini.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately,
that doesn't count for shit in court.
But a 14-year-old,
But ile reality lapha sikhuluma anti lapha ufana umntwana singamvikela ngomthetho but sesikhali reality khathesi umntwana ka2010 vele uyakuthathela indoda full stop umntwana nje ka2010.
So that's my
Let me
chat.
just read something for you guys. And right, the age of consent is 18 years. And right, consent must be freely given, voluntary and informed. There is no consent if a person is pressured, threatened or manipulated, intoxicated by alcohol or drugs. So if you and I are to get drunk right now and we so happen to sleep together and you wake up and say I raped you, I took advantage of you because you were drunk.
Nxa mina nteko yona yabunjani yabusopa.
Mina lami nitaki.
So lapha na
Can't
i-rape
cry
still.
rape.
If you go and report it, Pela, it's rape still and I can go to jail.
Ngumthetho lo.
Ngumthetho yona lo.
But nge-reality alright nxa sonke sidakwela phansi solabani. Kungela umuntu ongiqhubela
Mental
inkomitsho guys.
disability and unable to make informed decisions.
Guys asibe serious. Sonke sidakiwe
Right.
laphana sinathi thekile. Kusasa semblema wena.
Remember, a person can change their mind at any time. And so, Mina, maybe even if we're in a relationship, and then at some point in time during the deed, and you say, stop, and I don't stop.
Imagine imali umuntu ekuchaya nge-romance ethi stop wena vele sulithala ithi
But
akhona apha but lisemjolweni guys ezinye izinto but yasizifakeni
No, that doesn't matter.
Umuntu ngeromance kade sube lithala ithume usumila pha usulithala ithi kusasa mina sengisithi unrepi but ngusukelile guys asifeseni reality amadoda siyatshona wrong in everything
Sihlala sigqoka ama body cam guys.
abantu abayekele vele into zokuzithola nxa ukwazi ukuthi wena utshwala buyakuphika ungahamenda nezilotshwala because kusasa uzafaka abadaba abantu
Only a clear, free, and voluntary yes means yes. So this means, guys, for anyone that is listening to this message, and any little nigga that is thinking of being a little fucker sometime in the future,
sidingela ushuga mama
no
boy
means no, guys.
Right.
To protect yourself.
Angithi nxa kudaki right mina ngingadakwa la ngibe le intercourse ngambe report ayithi awucherilo ngikhwelile lo mdaki.
undlengulile wena iside lakho le story limi njani
So lapha sokusiya ngokuthi mbani oqala wake report.
Yes.
Yena ngafika ethi hayi urepe mina mbani kuyahamba njani.
I don't know. I'm not an officer of the law. Angazi bazendla njani indawo zona lezi.
Hayi lapha sembuza
My message is no means no.
and
And
guys
vele, in order for you to avoid such situations and do not find yourself in a predicament whereby if you see yourself questioning the intentions of umuntu, vele lama chita tila kakhulu lama wole, those are the people that have weaponized sex the most. And those are the people that are going to get you into trouble over absolutely nothing. Ma uzazi ukuthi ngusithamera imali yangikhona awulayo. Best don't indulge in such things. Uzidonsela nzima Jake.
kuyathiwa imimoya
Hey, so yawasithi I think into okumele ukuthi siqale ukuyinormalize is amajita before we even get to into eziserious njengabo rape.
Yeah.
Ikubophiso cherry.
Sibona ukuthi wena
even for
table
izinto
stand
ezincane,
kuyahanja
like
nje
even for because I know ukuthi girls can
because
take your ass.
kulamankazana atshontshela abafana imali ekuseni umuntu ekutshontshela imali ehambi
Yeah, like all those small little things amankazana atshone eziyenza ezokuthi
abanye abafana badragwa guys
big deal.
Yeah.
Lathi zomela ukuthi sizikhiphe
Amatafula
sothi stick
etshintshe.
mali yani uthi twa uzobophisa ucherry. Yabo, we do it intentionally vele ukuthi hayi inkazinerana ukuthi $10.
undlengulile
Inkazinerana uyenze so yabo, anything small and stupid so that even when it gets to izinto lezi eziserious njengabo rape already into lana ku society zabe sesiyifakile ukuthi because kungcono kulokuzishayela anyway.
Yeah.
and mina guys into engifuna ukuyitsho nxa ungumzali ulomntwana o below the age of 18 make sure ukuthi umntana wakho nxa usiyalala uyambona ukuthi ulele endlini so that kusasa lingathi abantu seliyenza abantu abamsulwa alikwazi ukuthi abakho umsulwa abalala amalundi umntana bengeke lokho hayi
usinentokozo bakithi sine right woo
alibaza abantwana benu thina siyabazi
yo
Also endabeni yona lana nxa ngaba lezinto ezinje so don't immediately uthi umntana wakho vele
umsulwa
like qala uzindaba yonke in full because can I tell you something guys
version yakho esiyazi yonkhaya wena
yazi umntwana yazi yafika endlini usmayile umzali umhlekise umphekele amatamatisi or whatever it is that happens in the kitchen but then qeda lapha into ezikhuluma efonini oziposta ku internet abazali abaningi abala TikTok you've got an entire persona when you close that page so don't assume ukuthi just because ubuhleka la e-kitchen nxa isese roomini yakhe that's the same person who's in that room. It's not
because
true.
abantwana laba khathesi form 4 yakwanisa ukuthi ebeseyenza i-sexual intercourse guys umntwana yenza but ungumzalani because wena utshona emsebenzini umntwana yabuya yenza into za ubonani umuntu omakhelwane babona guys omakhelwane babekwazi da umntwana wakho obvious but yakusindaba zethu
Liyakwazi ku story time mfuna ukukhuluma esinye story ebesihambelana lendaba ye betrayal yana but ukuthi sisuke sakhuma ngezinye indaba ngoba kuningi ngophayi. All right, anyway, story time. You know, kulama storytellers la sekhona these days kulokhozeni. Ku social media ukuthi people inbox their stories then when they read them online and people start commenting.
Yeah.
There's a lady who says she has a friend that she's been friends with for more than a decade.
Yeah.
So just like normal times, she calls her female friend. Okay, mga, let's go out and have fun as usual. They go out to a bar. They start drinking. Bethi kusanjalo. The friend umngani wakhe lo is not okay ngani distant vele is unusual sembuza what's wrong, you know, like when you ask someone ukuthi what's wrong, they hesitate to ukutshela up until she finally decided, okay, mangutshela ukuthi what's going on. Uthi, there's this other night she went out with other friends. She was driving. So they were tipsy, they were drunk, but they still saw ukuthi kwenzakalani. On her way home, uthi wachaya umuntu ngemota. Right. Uthi kunjalo emchayile umuntu lwana kukhanya ngani wafa. Sithe sefile umuntu lwana.
Kwaba hit and run.
Yes, kwaba le issue ye hit and run. Weeks later they caught someone and charged him with hit and run.
Yeah.
Right. So I court case yahamba, and you know ukuthi like if you plead not guilty and they find you guilty, the penalty is higher.
Yeah.
Yes. That person
supposed to
was
enter a
given
plea
the
deal.
death sentence and is on death row. So uthe ku death row, death row yakhe khangani liyakwazi death row yini?
Yeah, you are waiting to be executed.
Exactly.
When you're on death
So
row.
khangani it was short. Yabo. Yeah, in feature. And execution date yakhe yabe siphuma ukuthi okay, it's going to be executed on such and such a date. Right. Wena usuzile story sonke lesi. That man is a father ulabantwana and is about to be executed. Your friends you've been friends with for over a decade is walking scot-free for killing a person, and someone else is going to get killed for that thing. Would you betray your friend or?
First of all, there's something very wrong with the justice system of this country in particular.
Actually, it was in this country.
That's going to execute
okay.
someone
It was the
for a hit
neighboring
and
country.
run.
Oh yeah. All right.
Execution for a hit and run. Yo.
No, but it's no longer hit and run at that point. It's murder.
It's murder.
It's hit and run. That's why it's called a hit and run. You
It's
hit
hit and
someone
run.
and they ran.
When
No,
then
Yeah.
it gets escalated
Related.
when the person dies.
1, 2, it becomes involuntary manslaughter if you were upfront and honest about it. But nxa ukuthi wavele wazithulela sakuthola thina, at that point it has to be murder. It has to be murder because
So lapha o-wrong ngu-driver or ngumuntu wonke owayesemoteni.
I'm questioning
Driver,
what death
whatever.
sentence, bruh.
you know the
But anyways, that wasn't what we're talking about. All I'm saying is, unfortunately, I don't even know that man. I don't know his kids. I could give two fucks if they grow up without a father. My loyalties are with my friend. I'm sorry. Sorry to his family. Sorry to his kids.
Hey, but lami mina
Umntwana with or without a father, all things considered, we are cooler. Buka
Eh.
thina sihlabile la.
ya thina nanko musi. Intandane
Umuntu
esikhothwa
wakho
ngonina.
I'm
Intandane
just
esikhothwa
saying, man. I'm just saying.
ngonina.
Ngukhangele so price. I put a slam check. And look at a complete stranger.
Akuyenze guys uyakhetha obvious uchomo.
That's when I start thinking along the lines of maybe very scarce like let's speak.
But are you willing to live
And I'm
with
not
the
trying to
guilt, though?
intervene with
Like,
God's plan.
Labana
Uzakwazi
bhathi
ukuphila
indaba
ngeguilt
yakhe lo
yakhona.
uNkulunkulu lana wena ungena indawo la.
When nawucabanga njengomaye lo bani.
Haya but imagine khathe uchomo wakho yamanzi indoda nxa ungela sichebe endlini irent ishota nguye. Ubaba lwana akakuncedi lutho lwa. Wena umzwela ubuhlungu phela lana i-matter of emotions omzwela yona wena yama feelings. Ubhururu wakho ngubhururu wakho bra for over a decade.
Bala cabanga yathi sumbophisila bethi nawe siyakucharge for
Siyakucharge.
accomplice.
Hey,
Wathi isikhathi sonke.
Sawuthile.
Harboring a criminal.
Kuyasho kuchile vele. Kuyasho kuchile. So
I
haya.
would prefer Steve ungantsheli.
Awuzakutshela.
Bro, you
Anyways,
know what? Huh? As much as I would choose you as my friend, but if friendship yet over the years is a hammer downhill. My guy,
Enye imfihlo zigcinile
you killed
shame.
someone. Someone got killed for it. You told me I'm your friend. Our friendship is not going to be the same.
let's go blood tie because we've got a secret that can shake things up together.
Yeah, I know. You compare
So
Gucho,
was
you
mad.
like as much as you would want to protect Stephen, you would end up saying, let me distance myself from you. Because when I
are there any legal ramifications like to ukuba kwazi like sengutsheli my
You're an accomplice.
So but I wasn't there.
You're
you
an
told
accomplice.
me.
You're an accomplice.
But how?
You exactly. That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
That is your crime.
But doesn't that only apply to like
actively
health professionals who hear about such things? Not
I think the problem comes when they ask you and you lie about it. But if they didn't ask you,
Zwana check. Even therapists, bruh, when someone confesses a matter to them, they are inclined to tell the police.
But that's different now. You are a health professional.
Understand what I'm saying, and you become an accomplice the moment you hear, witness a crime, and you say absolutely nothing about it, regardless of the circumstances and who you are. Your knowledge about the crime and you choosing not to report it makes you an accomplice. Right, Bryce, back to you. Moral of the story, guys, we are headed into the holiday season. August is upon us. A whole lot of shows that we're expecting.
Bro, what the fuck,
People
man? How can you transition that way?
Understand this, and please, people, drive safely. And lately, the law of Velega when it comes to people that drink and drive. Like lately, there's a homie of ours, I think about 6 months, and this shit is serious. He's a great guy, but the law doesn't give two fucks if you're a great guy.
She's a great guy.
I said he's a great guy.
Right.
He's a great guy. He put us. But nonetheless, ejele uyangena if you're drinking and driving. And the minimum sentence is 6 months. Right. So, speaking of shows, guys, Bryce, will you promote? Can we please have you guys paying the entertainers with Mali as a right? We are trying to grow our industry. Mali as a right, my chance.
Price laba ukabenge
I would rather owe you a favor.
Which is
something for me.
I'll do something
for you.
But
price alisfaki. Angila mali.
People think the minute you're out there, you're making money.
What I want to understand is from someone with your point of view when it comes to shows and everything like that. Is there a show in Bulawayo that you can actively say Leya Yenzimal?
From advice from my counsel, I plead the fifth.
You plead the fifth. Right, my chat is, and show because there's a lot of complaints that come in from upcoming DJs or already established DJs that they are not being paid enough.
Yeah.
I mean, for Christ's sake, one bottle of Henny can pay one DJ. And good line up maybe I will 6 or 7. So that means you only need to sell 7 to pay 7.
Okay,
do you think,
let me put it this way, Milo. That comes down to bad business.
Okay.
Mina, this is how I do it. If I'm doing a show and I ask you to be part of my show, I draw up a budget. Before I start making money. The problem is people want to make money, then pay people.
Later.
Like when you're doing a show, the fact that you have to pay the venue, you have to pay for the PA system, you have to pay for the transport.
No
you
DJ,
also
have
to have imali yokubhatala the people all out.
Exactly.
The issue, the only person or dealer is yourself. Okay. That's how I do business.
And I think it's a proper way.
I think it's a proper way. But now, the fight here is, and the money that our teachers get given. It's either you are given money or you are told it's exposure. DJ, I mean, I keep saying teacher because I'm a teacher myself. And but it refers to teachers and artists. And do you think that maybe some form of an organization or a structure that resembles a trade union should be formed for artisans? Because I think there's a huge problem of Uguti. We don't have like what we feel like is a minimum wage if you are in the arts industry. That's why mase sifile selisingcwabele emkhukhwini selikhala ngathi lisithi hayi besingena lutho belingagwana endlini yami. It's because we're not getting paid.
ukuthi sabukela imbundi embamba yini akwenza ukuthi sihlale.
Because
at the end of the day ngumsebenzi. You are paying me for the 10,000 hours that I put into perfecting my craft.
And to making your people happy.
So OG, tell us,
Okay,
what
like
must we
when
do?
it comes to exposure, like when someone says exposure, you should be a DJ who's starting. They should give you his cut as close to prime time, because he can't expose you to service providers.
Yeah. So
Kumele expose it to the people that are actually in the show. Okay, right. Superstar later, ngizachaya ngo-12. Abantu bethu they start ukugcwala around 9. So ngizakufaka ngo-10. Uchaye from 10 to 11. That's exposure. And the other thing, even exposure as artists, you need to choose your free gigs carefully. Kule gig elevator, kule gig elizakwisa. Kulabantu ukuthi ungahambe DJ kuma shows abo. I'd rather go and DJ a free gig somewhere than any gig elemali somewhere.
Yeah.
Right? Because nyakwazi ngale, if I DJ there, I'll lose all the other gigs. Ngale ngihamba nge-DJ for free, I know ukuthi ngizazuzana ilokhuze. Okunye i-exposure, you also need to do it yourself as an artist. Okay, put me in this space because yakwazi ukuthi we live now in a digital world. You need to gather content. Yabo, you need to be strategic yourself. Yabo, any problem ukuthi most DJs get used because bacabanga ngesisu abacabanga ngengqondo.
All right.
Exactly.
Iphinda sizwanga kanjani?
Bacabanga ngesisa bacabanga ngengqondo.
Right to price sell a new quote this.
Yeah. So like where you DJ for free, you need to choose it carefully. Even where you DJ for money, you also need to choose it carefully. You need to understand what caliber of DJ you are. Because sometimes you can DJ 1 gig for free as a nigga 20 gigs that pay you. Or you can DJ 1 gig that can give you a lot of money and never give you any gigs again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I think
so how exposure is presented to you matters.
Even okunya kuya nga ukuthi how do you
Milo,
present
I've got
yourself,
a big
guys,
gig,
as a brand?
land. I'm expecting 5,000 people. Right. Angila budget yokuthi ngunike imali. I can give you food and transport and uzachaya ngo-10. Are you good with that?
Yeah.
Sokusiyanga ukuthi
Now you
because
see,
akusizi
already you know which, okay,
uyangi-expose
you're
ngapha
not getting paid,
angithi
but it's not
ngapha
an expense.
nginathi ngapha ngiyasigadisa but ungi-expose njani maye ngesikhwama
Ngabe uthaya ngo-2.
Imagine abantu sebedakiwe futhi akusebenzi
And I
njani.
mean, I think the DJs that need to be paid sibili imali ezi-serious yibona nabantu abavulayo.
Yes.
Nabachaya ekugcineni, because like
yes, because those guys are getting absolutely nothing from that.
Yeah.
And it's
not
the
really. No, they are the people that bring shape to the event, because like when ngena event, you need to hear music. Can even uphandle.
Yeah.
Like
For me to get inside, I have to hear you.
istof ngawusilayitha. Siyabe sichisa ku-6 but sidlula ku-1. Istof ngawusilayitha.
Mdala vele
Siyachisa
bekwazi.
ku-6.
Mdala bekwazi ukuthi ngimkambile nami bekwazi mdala manje ngimkambile mdala la.
Plugile.
You see? So choose your gigs carefully, guys. Whether akubhadala or akubhadala. And nxa even ingakubhadala, once you commit to a free gig, treat it like an event abazakunika khona 10,000.
Yeah.
You will separate yourself from the rest. Get there early, sit down, study the equipment ekhona. Look for the stage manager. Umbuzo ukuthi uchaya sikhathi bani, make sure ukuthi into zakho zonke zi-right.
Kumele to be prepared.
Even kulabantu abayi-7, DJ for them like you're DJing for 10,000 people. Those 7 people wonke bengarekhoda i-video and they post on their status. Each person engxenye ulabantu abayi-50. You've got 50 times 7 people looking at you.
Yeah. I think the problem with us thina ungafika endaweni ufile like ayila vibe maybe uyifunayo uhlube discouraged. And impilo ayisebenzi njalo sometimes. Sometimes even ubonthi lapha ku tricky ukuthi ngiwani sithin DJ whoever is watching.
Jake, mina I've MC dama events alabantu abayi-5,000 and I've MC dama events alabantu abayi-50. But the energy is the same.
It's the same.
The energy is the same because I took that gig. Even okay, let's say kunika 250, let's say kunika $50. I'll treat the events the same way because I respect my craft. Yabo. Those people abakhona phana abayi-50, I don't know who's there. But I have to treat them like
And you
they
do
are
not
so and so's of the industry.
Yes.
Okunye, Jake, I think serious conversations need to be had with promoters.
Yeah.
It costs a lot price for you.
Akula promoter lapha eZimbabwe, kulama businessmen in entertainment.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think maybe that's what the problem is. That's what the problem is. Because it takes a lot for untanga ukuthi atholakale at that kick in the first place. Umele abechenile. Umele afike khona haircut yabona ibe njengekamilo.
Drive yomchovu ungamtsheli ngale nganama bus stop
like things like that, bro.
Bese ule dust.
Those are the most important things. So check umfana at least akabe le mali ekwanisa ukuthenga even okuyiskipper check.
Girlfriend airtime thina
Thengeni
sifuna
girlfriend
airtime
airtime.
thina
Because
ngawungelayo
umama-
angizwisiswe nizolada usegigini
Umama
anzwisisi vele abafazi abazwisisi
umfazi umasalo wakho je umdala wakho maybe you are a teacher nje at 20 years old uphume endlini usithi uyajaya igigi phendu kulengisa izandla hayi
awula even isinkwa ositshebo se$2
Kati mafana.
uya DJ mina umama omncane wami uyathi uya DJ or uya DJ kumbe uya DJ yaboni ukuthi kanti uya DJ awusekho ngu DJ.
But anyways, guys, these are things that we need to note for the coming holiday. Right. One more pressing thing. Wow, bona iFortuna.
Umayini
Yazi
waqala
ama-sit-up
wathi
kaMayilane. Yazi uMayilane.
Ayisijabule
hayi ngeke
Mfana yabusuke emanzinetshisa yeqele emafutheni.
No, Jake, sabe sehamba phela
Eqandayo.
sabe sehamba ndoda. Right. Kulamajita, kulabantu abayi3 laba eGoli laba debilita certain movie.
oh labani
And Jacinta bakela umthakathi ngizwe mchunu.
amabizo angikhona yawezwa yini
So ipicture yangikhona ibile izinto eziyi4. Phezulu kule Ford Ranger. Kule Ford Ranger iRaptor. At the end of iMarch uphakela umthakathi thoba bese hamba ke Raptor. Kube le Fortuna at the end of iMarch unyizwe mchunu sehamba eFortuna. Kube le Range Rover uJacinta sehamba ke lokho zenini. Inye Range Rover.
Sebe driver khathesi.
Phansi kule mdududu lamabhasikili lama sandals ana amabhinqa. Twa the rest. Tayinsizwa. Ani organization kaphakela twa insizwa nobunsizwa. Amajita sele lama Jericho lama Omega.
basala bona otoyitoyi otoyitoyi
As
basala
much as it is fun, it's communicating something.
Right. So what I wanted to say is, so the entire thing is falling apart. It first started off with Jacinta saying March and March is not distancing herself from the march that was supposed to happen on the 30th of June. And so now, Unyuzwe Mchunu now he's the guy that's saying he's tired of marching and yielding no results. So for him, March
bonke
upset.
sokulama excuse
Wonke sokulama excuses. And it kind of feels when they sat down with the president and attitudes changed. Yabo into zangikhona sezingathi sezinjani different. And I I don't know maybe if those guys they struck a deal whatsoever, but the people that suffered the most are the businessmen and the masses. Because why? Business is closed down. Trade between countries suffered because of them. And the
that.
relationships that South Africa has with other
countries,
has been affected
Because
of
of
that. And certainly umuntu
alisafuni
Usethi akafuni. So that's a betrayal to the people.
It is.
And them as South Africans, if they are smart
the
enough, they're
nation.
gonna even Nota said it good Jake. These days go blind. On the last episode of Fumu Music, but say
because thina
so go
futhi
blind.
abantu thina
Ama-taxi
eZimbabwe
drivers are suffering,
ngeni
bro.
ngeheart because nangu uzinqumalo is coming eZimbabwe asingena ngehathi nzima ama
I
country
think-
guys vele ku tricky
I think
afuni ngeSouth Africa
I think maybe the younger generation or promoters or businessmen, as Bryce said, maybe it's a chance for them through entertainment to show Guti now more than ever unity is important.
yeah
Because there is no nation that can do without the other.
Yeah,
And
there
that's
is
why a lot of South Africans were screaming that they don't all share the same sentiments. Even Somizi said it. They don't all share the same sentiments when it comes to foreigners or whatsoever. And the reason why I keep mentioning this as per episode is that I feel like there's not a lot of voices that are out there because of this entire situation.
Yeah.
A lot of people are quiet. A lot
Some
of
South Africans say, dude, like if you're South African and you have your head in order, you'll never lose a job to a foreigner.
Yes.
Because
Unjothi
like
khathesi, Bryce.
unemployment is only high ebantwini abangela matric.
Eh.
The unemployment to people that do not have matric, they say it is about 6%.
The
So
people-
94% of people that have matric are employed.
Are employed.
West South Africa, if you've got your matric, and worse if you went to university.
University.
You live a good life.
Most of the jobs la amanye athathwayo, like if a South African
Unjothi ungalwa
was
lo muntu ofa i-make up 100 rand ku-small street uthi ukuthathela umsebenzi. Umuntu othengisa umbhida osikiweyo 10 rand egoli uthi ukuthathela umsebenzi. Ngakhathi esawusekho umbhida wona lwana. Anti ukuthathela umsebenzi sala phela usika umbhida uthengisa ufake estradweni sibone. Because kunjalo vele.
but kunzima.
Akunzima gafo eSouth Africa kunzima shem because abantu banengi futhi abanengi bangikhona mina from my own opinion I think inengi la ngikhona elifuna ukuthi much what le iyenze abala isikole umuntu lesikole guys abedinwe vele emsebenzini ngalasikhathi sona leso
Okunye ukuthi when the rich start fighting, the poor suffer. When the rich start fighting, the poor suffer. Thina esingela amafans osponkoro labo sitamira down there. It just suffer when the people upstairs are fighting.
beqalise bodwa futhi impi yabo
And it's a shame. It's a shame.
Akunzima
Azungizwe
ukuthi-
nje emungizwe ithe hama gents. Na vele utsho mna bana uphakela ngezeke benjwayele kabi. Mina I've been to 68 countries. So now I'm wondering ukuthi if someone has been to over 68 countries worldwide,
why uyenza into enjalo
why were you doing something like that in the first place? Because you're supposed to be one of the most informed people in that batch.
obviously kwakuyijob ani
You are
kwakuyijob
supposed to be one of the people that are going to tell abantu ukuthi even when someone is exporting, an artist is exporting A, B, C, and D, it's an exchange of value,
Exactly.
monetary value. And I think those are some of the conversations that we need to be having as people. Right. Anything else, my cheese?
On that note, guys, sincerely appreciate her for tuning in. But Sicela ingaphikizani WhatsApp guys, sicela izophikisana lapha ku YouTube guys. Ngiyani lama comments on YouTube lizophikisana khona apho lizositshela yonke into elifuna ukusitshela yona. Make sure you leave a like and a comment down below. And we're coming to you live from where?
Cotton. Cotton Lounge. Only the biggest club in BYO. Shout out. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
One more
yes,
thing.
one more announcement, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget, on the 23rd of August, 2026, Konapo a King's Crawl, ladies and gentlemen. We bring you in the mix and the menu, the only event in Bulawayo whereby you buy your ticket and you also get food. Wayibona nga event yokuthi ungalokuza ungathenga iticket yaphiwa lokudla.
le ncanca
Singazi kuyabe kumnandi.
Akabe kumnandi because sayiphinda laphana, yes.
Right. Another important thing, we've got karaoke Fridays happening here at the restaurant side. Please, ababhimbayo, Crate of Heat Daniels, now you are allowed to come through.
ufuna ukuboosta
Eyavunyelwa thina sijaji ngapha. Right, then another thing that I wanted to say, as of the coming episodes, we're going to be having a segment just for 10 minutes. It's going to be called Friends of the Show. So we are opening up the platform, be it the WhatsApp group, be it the WhatsApp number. Just come and vent, and then the team will break it down for you live if you want to hear the opinions of the team. And then we're going to ask the rest of the viewers to give us an opinion about your situation. Be it emotional, ngaphandle kwe-financial, asila mali, ngeke sikuthumezele imali.
But I think it will be easier to track on YouTube, huh?
Yes.
Because ngale WhatsApp, we can get 1,000 messages in 5 hours.
Yes.
So yeah.
In any case, try by all means to communicate your message. We will also try by all means to make sure that we take it and we break it down here in the 10-minute segment that we're offering.
And as a professional, Tina says, "Kunuma wethu mcabango we-street."
Exactly.
But on 99 phela le.
In this case, we really hope that we get to connect with you guys, have some form of engagement, and come up with solutions. Danko.
Sicela ukuzwa a few words from Ubalo.
Guys mina ne ngithi lina nxa livente guys abantu bengathathi intambo beyisebenzise entweni ezirongo sikhona thina ukuthi silisolve ingxaki zenu engxoxweni zethu thina. So please, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, try even the Instagram. You can bengakwazi share Instagram, man.
Yeah.
Not kuma DMs zami lo Milo. No. Awenge
Ningathi kuma DMs kamongi.
Ukuthi umongi ngabuya ubefuna uzovenda lapho umongi.
Kuma DMs kuma mongi, kamongi.
Kuma mongi.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
So yeah, thank you guys so much.
Much love.
Yolana ethi pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready.